average American spends over $1,200 per year on vehicle repairs and maintenance, but that number skyrockets to $2,000 or more for unreliable vehicles. Meanwhile, the 7 SUVs we're covering today have maintenance costs so low and reliability so legendary that their owners often forget what the inside of a repair shop looks like. These aren't just reliable vehicles, they're financial insurance policies on wheels. Today, we're revealing the 7 SUVs that have cracked the code on long-term reliability, backed by Consumer Reports data, real-world owner experiences, and maintenance cost analysis that will shock you. These are the vehicles that laugh at high mileage, shrug off neglect, and keep running long after their competitors have been towed to the scrapyard. If you're tired of unexpected repair bills and want to join the ranks of worry-free SUV owners, this video will change your automotive life forever. 1 point, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid stands as the undisputed champion of worry-free SUV ownership, combining Toyota's legendary reliability with hybrid technology that actually reduces long-term maintenance costs. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid are among the most reliable models in this year's survey, earning recognition from Consumer Reports as one of the most dependable vehicles you can purchase today. What makes the RAV4 Hybrid a financial fortress against repair costs is Toyota's conservative approach to hybrid technology. Unlike complex systems that can fail spectacularly, Toyota's hybrid synergy drive has been refined through millions of vehicles over 2 decades. The system actually extends the life of the gasoline engine by reducing its workload, while the electric motors provide instant torque without the mechanical stress of traditional engines. Toyota models average around $5,445 for maintenance and repair costs during their first 10 years of service. This beats the industry average for popular brands by $2,854. This remarkable statistic means that choosing a Toyota over the average vehicle saves you nearly $3,000 over 10 years, and the RAV4 Hybrid performs even better than the Toyota average due to reduced brake wear and engine stress. The RAV4 Hybrid's brake system exemplifies how intelligent engineering reduces maintenance costs. The regenerative braking system captures energy during deceleration, which means the traditional brake pads experience significantly less wear. Many RAV4 Hybrid owners report brake pads lasting twice as long as conventional vehicles, saving hundreds of dollars in replacement costs throughout the vehicle's life. The simplicity of Toyota's hybrid system design is its greatest strength for long-term reliability. There are no complex turbochargers to fail, no dual-clutch transmissions with expensive maintenance requirements, and no exotic materials that require specialized service. The eCVT transmission is essentially bulletproof with no belts or clutches to wear out, making it one of the most reliable transmissions ever created. Toyota's commitment to parts availability ensures that even if repairs are needed, they won't break the bank. The RAV4 Hybrid shares components with millions of other Toyota and Lexus vehicles, creating economies of scale that keep replacement parts affordable. Independent shops can service these vehicles effectively, avoiding the high labor costs associated with dealer-only repairs. Real-world ownership costs for the RAV4 Hybrid consistently rank among the lowest in the compact SUV segment. Owners report minimal unscheduled repairs, with most maintenance consisting of routine items like oil changes, tire rotations, and cabin air filters. The combination of excellent reliability and reasonable parts costs makes the RAV4 Hybrid a financial sanctuary for budget-conscious buyers. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has built its reputation on the foundation of worry-free ownership, consistently ranking among the most reliable SUVs while maintaining some of the lowest ownership costs in its segment. Honda's engineering philosophy prioritizes durability over complexity, resulting in a vehicle that delivers decades of trouble-free service without the expensive repairs that plague many modern SUVs. Honda's naturally aspirated engines in the CR-V represent the pinnacle of reliable design, avoiding the turbocharging complexity that increases repair costs in competing vehicles. These engines are designed to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance, featuring robust internal components and conservative tuning that prioritizes longevity over maximum power output. RepairPal data shows that Toyota owners spend $441, while Honda owners shell out $428. This places Honda among the most affordable brands to maintain, with the CR-V consistently performing even better than the Honda average due to its proven design and widespread parts availability. The CR-V's transmission technology has been refined through multiple generations to eliminate common failure points. Honda's CVT and traditional automatic transmissions in the CR-V are engineered for longevity, with robust construction and conservative programming that extends their service life. The result is transmissions that rarely require major repairs, saving owners thousands of dollars compared to vehicles with problematic gearboxes. Honda's approach to interior durability means that CR-V cabins age gracefully, maintaining their functionality and appearance long after other vehicles begin showing their age. Controls remain responsive, seats resist wear, and climate systems continue operating effectively throughout the vehicle's extended lifespan. This interior longevity means fewer replacement costs for worn components. The The CR-V's electrical systems are renowned for their simplicity and reliability. Honda has avoided the complex electronic architectures that cause expensive failures in other vehicles, instead implementing proven technologies that continue functioning reliably throughout the vehicle's service life. This conservative approach to electronics significantly reduces the risk of costly electrical repairs. Routine maintenance costs for the CR-V remain reasonable throughout its service life, with straightforward service requirements and accessible components that make routine work efficient and affordable. Oil changes, filter replacements, and other scheduled maintenance can be performed quickly and cost-effectively, helping owners maintain their vehicles without significant expense. 4. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester has carved out a unique position in the reliable SUV landscape, offering standard all-wheel drive capability with maintenance costs that remain surprisingly reasonable throughout its service life. The Subaru Ascent is a top choice for those who need something a little more rugged than the rest. With a predicted reliability rating of 82, it could mean fewer repair bills down the road compared to most other vehicles, and the Forester shares this commitment to reliability across Subaru's lineup. Subaru's Boxer engine configuration contributes significantly to the Forester's low maintenance costs and exceptional reliability. The horizontally opposed design creates more even wear patterns and consistent cooling compared to traditional engines, resulting in power plants that regularly exceed 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. The engine's design also provides easier access for service, reducing labor costs for routine maintenance. The Forester's standard all-wheel drive system represents one of the most reliable implementations of all-wheel traction available today. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive operates continuously rather than engaging only when slip occurs, reducing the complexity and potential failure points common in part-time systems. This approach results in a system that requires minimal maintenance while providing consistent capability. The Subaru Forester has been rated the lowest 5-year cost-to-own vehicle in the compact SUV category by Kelley Blue Book, and Subaru takes the title for the lowest 5-year cost-to-own brand 2 years in a row according to KBB. This recognition reflects the Forester's ability to deliver reliable service with minimal unscheduled repairs and reasonable maintenance costs. Subaru's approach to interior design prioritizes durability and functionality over luxury, resulting in cabins that maintain their appeal and functionality throughout extended ownership periods. Materials are selected for their resistance to wear and ability to withstand active use, reducing the need for costly interior repairs or replacements that affect other vehicles. The Forester's CVT transmission, while initially controversial among enthusiasts, has proven reliable in real-world use when properly maintained. Subaru has continuously refined the transmission programming and construction, resulting in a unit that provides smooth operation and reasonable durability. The transmission's design eliminates many of the wear components found in traditional automatics, potentially reducing long-term maintenance costs. The Forester's maintenance requirements are straightforward and cost-effective, with routine service intervals that are reasonable and accessible to both dealers and independent shops. Subaru's expanding service network and growing parts availability help control maintenance costs while ensuring that qualified service remains conveniently available. 5. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 has emerged as one of the most cost-effective SUVs to own long-term, combining Mazda's renewed focus on reliability with engineering excellence that minimizes expensive repairs. Mazda's transformation from a Ford subsidiary to an independent manufacturer has resulted in dramatically improved build quality and reliability that translates directly into lower ownership costs. Mazda's Skyactiv engines in the CX5 represent a masterclass in efficient, reliable design. These naturally aspirated power plants avoid the complexity of turbocharging while delivering excellent performance and fuel economy. The high compression ratio and lightweight construction reduce internal stress while maximizing efficiency, resulting in engines that age gracefully and require minimal repairs. The CX5's transmission technology utilizes proven 6-speed automatic designs rather than complex CVTs or dual-clutch systems that can require expensive repairs. Mazda's conservative approach to transmission tuning prioritizes smoothness and durability over maximum performance, resulting in gearboxes that provide reliable service throughout the vehicle's lifespan with minimal maintenance requirements. Mazda's attention to corrosion protection in the CX5 addresses one of the primary long-term cost concerns for vehicle owners. The extensive use of galvanized steel and advanced coating processes provides exceptional rust resistance, ensuring that the vehicle maintains its structural integrity and appearance throughout its service life. This corrosion protection prevents costly body repairs that affect many vehicles in harsh climates. The CX5's interior materials are selected for durability as well as appearance, resulting in cabins that resist wear and maintain their functionality over extended ownership periods. Controls are built to withstand heavy use while remaining responsive, and the overall design avoids trendy elements that quickly become dated or require expensive updates. Mazda's approach to electronics in the CX5 emphasizes proven reliability over cutting-edge features. The infotainment system utilizes established components rather than experimental technology, reducing the likelihood of expensive electronic failures. This conservative approach to technology integration provides functionality without the complexity that increases repair costs. Maintenance costs for the CX5 remain reasonable throughout its service life thanks to Mazda's expanding dealer network and increasing parts availability. The vehicle's straightforward design makes diagnostic and repair work efficient, while the quality of components ensures that major repairs remain infrequent. Regular maintenance intervals are sensible and cost-effective. 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander represents the gold standard for worry-free three-row SUV ownership, delivering Toyota's legendary reliability in a family-friendly package that minimizes long-term ownership costs. The Highlander's reputation for dependability has made it a favorite among families who prioritize financial security and reliability over flashy features or maximum performance. Toyota's approach to the Highlander prioritizes proven technology and conservative engineering over cutting-edge features that might compromise reliability. The naturally aspirated V6 engine provides ample power for family duties while utilizing time-tested technology that delivers hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable service. This conservative approach extends to every system in the vehicle, from the transmission to the electrical components. The Highlander's three-row seating configuration is engineered for durability and longevity, with seat mechanisms and materials selected to withstand the heavy use typical of family vehicles. The interior components resist wear while maintaining their functionality throughout extended ownership periods, reducing the need for expensive repairs or replacements that affect other three-row SUVs. Toyota's commitment to parts availability ensures that Highlander maintenance and repair costs remain reasonable throughout the vehicle's extended service life. The popularity of Toyota vehicles creates economies of scale that keep replacement parts affordable, while the widespread availability of qualified technicians helps control labor costs for service and repairs. The Highlander's all-wheel drive system, when equipped, utilizes Toyota's proven technology that provides capability without the complexity that increases maintenance costs in other vehicles. The system is designed for reliability and durability rather than maximum performance, resulting in components that require minimal maintenance while providing consistent operation. The Highlander's maintenance schedule is designed to be both effective and affordable, with service intervals that maximize component life while minimizing disruption to owners' schedules. Routine maintenance can be performed efficiently by both dealers and independent shops, providing options for cost-conscious owners while ensuring proper service. 7. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot completes our list of worry-free SUVs by demonstrating how a three-row family vehicle can deliver exceptional reliability while maintaining reasonable ownership costs throughout its service life. Honda's engineering philosophy of prioritizing durability over complexity has created a vehicle that serves families reliably for decades without the expensive repairs that plague many large SUVs. Honda's V6 engine in the Pilot represents decades of refinement and development, resulting in a power plant that provides ample performance for family duties while maintaining exceptional reliability. The naturally aspirated design avoids the complexity of forced induction while delivering smooth, dependable power that ages gracefully. These engines routinely exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, providing years of worry-free service. The Pilot's transmission technology has evolved through multiple generations to provide reliable operation under the demanding conditions typical of three-row SUV use. Honda's engineering team has addressed previous concerns through continuous improvement, resulting in transmissions that provide smooth operation and reasonable durability when properly maintained. Honda's approach to interior design in the Pilot prioritizes functionality and durability over luxury, resulting in cabins that maintain their appeal and usefulness throughout extended ownership periods. Materials are selected to resist wear from heavy family use while maintaining their appearance, reducing the need for costly interior repairs or replacements. The Pilot's all-wheel drive system provides capability and confidence without the complexity that increases maintenance costs in other vehicles. Honda's engineering approach emphasizes reliability and simplicity, resulting in a system that requires minimal maintenance while providing consistent performance in various driving conditions. The Pilot's electrical systems are designed with Honda's typical focus on reliability and durability, avoiding unnecessary complexity while providing the features that families need. This conservative approach to electronics reduces the likelihood of expensive failures while ensuring that systems remain functional throughout the vehicle's extended service life. These 7 SUVs represent your passport to worry-free ownership, each earning their place through proven track records of reliability and reasonable ownership costs. From the hybrid efficiency of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid to the luxury dependability of the Lexus GX, and from the all-weather capability of the Subaru Forester to the family-friendly reliability of the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander. With the driving pleasure of the Mazda CX5 and Honda CR-V, these vehicles prove that reliable transportation doesn't have to be expensive to maintain. Whether you need compact efficiency, luxury refinement, three-row practicality, or all-weather capability, one of these 7 SUVs will serve you faithfully for years to come, making them not just smart purchases but investments in your automotive future. The road ahead may be uncertain, but with one of these reliable companions, you can face it with confidence knowing that costly repairs will be the exception rather than the rule.